My stomach hurts, man. Filling me up with all this negative energy and shit. Like, I don't even know. What's the point? Like, I don't even. You just make me feel like shit sometimes. I think you should start to know that, because as soon as you do, you can start to accept that you're the piece of shit. Now, fuck you.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots of me, the streets are free. Go ahead and take from me. Feeling right, out of line. Gotta hit my boy Ricky for the way up of time. Proud of driven, but it's nothing but the climb and grind. Take the time, tripping over space and time. I'm on the line, speaking like a god of time. I'm modest mind, speaking from the heart of kind. A way to find another way to pass the time. I made my mind a spacious kind of race. Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest won't come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks on my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots of me, the streets are free. Go ahead and take from me. Break.
Oh my god, sorry. I freaked out, sorry.
A mirror, fight with fear, kicking the highest gear. You're on the highest tier, and when you're contemplating about a nation breaking, don't erase what fight would take a say.
It's like a legit book.
Take the middle road, hate to hear it. Go break your spirit, go waste a year. So tell yourself that you go be enough. When the time is rough, it's kinda hard to hear it. So I'm holding big dreams, sending you a plan for a life of schemes. I'm struggling to hold on, knowing that you're gone. Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots of me, the streets are free. Feeling no one feel for me.
몰라 너 처음 만난 날 비가 와 겁나 까먹어 내 우산 넌 괜찮대 빈말 아니야 난 정말 이 비를 좋아한다고 오늘도 비 올라 너의 비올라 같은 목소리가 내 귀엔 캔디처럼 들려와 전율이 흘러 너의 푸른 머리 푸른 눈동자야 Love you take me like a UFO 사랑을 모르는 외계인에게 어떻게 이 맘을 전해줄 수 있나 밤하늘에 너의 별을 그려봐 Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city, red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the away faces, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creatures' days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me